Good morning. I'm under the gun once again for an episode deadline. So today is all about cranking. It's going to be crank.com/get it done. Let's go.
Registered?
It smells like the first day I moved in here. You know it takes 7 days to unlock a phone? That's wild. That is some conspiracy stuff going on right there. Someone's got to take you to the vacuum cleaner hospital. But I'm going to the Dollar Tree. $1. About 5 bags of pork skins and a bunch of stuff for the kitchen. So I just met up with a guy to get rid of my phone, my old OnePlus 6T, and I was struggling to sell it at first. So this gentleman was so adamant that he wanted it, but he didn't have any money. So we spent all day with him rattling off the various things in his house that he was willing to sell to me. And the only thing I was interested in was the thing he had the hardest time separating with, which happened to be an Xbox One and all of his games.